everybody, it's Bouncing Fig here, and we are starting a new industrial area series. And what do I mean by that? You will find the most awesome food in industrial areas because you've got hardworking people, it's value for money, and it's got to be good. So we have got Nasi Kandar Saddam, and that is, you know, this place is really special to me because I have been coming here for so many years and I've been intending to do a video about Nasi Kandar Saddam.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Sulaiman Ali bin Hamid, owner kepada Saddam Nasi Kandar. Saddam ini dekat-dekat 30 tahun lebih. Yes. Saya asal daripada Alasta and Penang. Mix. Okay, my mother is Penang. My father is from Alasta. Tahun 1990 saya cari kedai, saya baru dapat gerai ini dan saya letak nama Saddam Nasi Kandar. Masa tu Amerika sama Iraq lawan. That's why the name is Saddam.
Saddam. Sini.
Sini sudah 13 tahun.
13 tahun.
13 tahun.
Oh, wow. So, let's take this chicken. Look at that. Very crispy. The chicken here is extremely flavorful, and you know, you get a lot of different hints of coriander and turmeric. So I'm just gonna have a Yum. Wow. That is a good and very tasty fried chicken.
Gempa saya lah. Gempa saya buat spesial. Saya panggil orang buat spesial untuk saya. Dan diantar ke saya. Dan masakan sama talari.
The squid egg. This is for me a delicacy. You must try it. Just say sotong, telur sotong, alright? I'm gonna bite right into it. The squid egg is so rich. Got a bit of a bounce, but it goes so well with the entire ensemble. I'm just here before lunchtime, so lunchtime it's packed, so come a little bit earlier. Later I don't recommend because it'll be finished. So on my plate, look at that, look at that. Okay, so let's dig into the rice, get a little bit of everything. The beautiful thing about Nasi Kandar at Saddam is that it's actually very spicy. So a lot of Nasi Kandar places kind of play down the spice, the chilies. They don't, because here it's all hardcore. The combination is creamy, and you know, if you have the squid, absolutely tender, full of flavor, and they have managed to balance the right flavors for their spices, and that's the secret when it comes to Mama cuisine. And one of my favorites that you don't get very often, oh my god, there's this huge truck right next to me, but it's okay. I remember when Saddam was so small, it was just in the corner attached to the factory. Very little humble place, not a lot of people knew about it. My awesome friend introduced me to him. Like this place must have been about 7 years ago, 6 years ago. So this means a lot to me. I mean, I hope you guys can come and support heritage, Mama cuisine, which is Nasi Kandar. And it's not far. You don't have to drive all the way to Penang for one because you also have representation here.
My first shop is this. Kedai pertama saya di Kuala Lumpur ini. Ini tak ada kipas angin panas, pulau-pulau sikit.
Bagus, bagus.
Saya ingat.
This your son?
Ya, my son.
Nanti.
Lagi sekarang pun kita dah ada cawangan dekat Sentul dengan Sogo semua. Lagi kalau kita dapat tempat yang cantik, kita nak buka lagi pakai resipi yang sama ni.